Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your throttle body. This process is crucial for maintaining smooth engine operation and can resolve common idling issues. Before we begin, make sure your vehicle has been off for at least 30 minutes, allowing the engine to cool down completely. You'll also want to have a basic wrench set and safety glasses ready for the next steps. Let's get started on improving your car's performance. Now, let's move on to disconnecting your vehicle's battery. First, locate your car battery, usually under the hood. Identify the negative terminal, which is often marked with a minus sign and has a black cable. Using your wrench, carefully loosen the nut on the negative terminal and remove the cable. It's important to keep this cable away from the battery post. Allow at least 15 minutes for the vehicle's computer to completely clear its memory. After waiting the recommended time, it's time to reconnect the battery. Carefully reattach the negative battery cable to its terminal, making sure it's snug and secure. A loose connection can cause electrical problems, so double-check its tightness. Once reconnected, start your vehicle. Do not touch the accelerator pedal. Let the engine run for about 10 minutes, allowing the computer to begin its initial learning phase. To finalize the throttle body reset, you'll need to perform an idle relearn procedure. Drive your vehicle for at least 10 miles, incorporating a mix of city and highway driving. During this drive, make sure to come to a complete stop several times and accelerate normally. This helps the engine control unit learn the new throttle body parameters. You should notice a smoother idle and better throttle response as a result of this reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.